Boiling briefly explained, mastering kitchen phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, boil briefly. This is a common instruction in cooking, and understanding it can really up your kitchen game. So, let's dive into what it means and how to use it effectively. First, let's break down the term, boil. Boiling is a method of cooking where you heat water until it reaches its highest temperature, where it starts producing bubbles and turns into steam. This is typically at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at sea level. Now, on to briefly. In cooking, this term means doing something for a short period of time. It's about being quick and efficient. When we combine this with boiling, it translates to boiling something for just a few minutes. Boil briefly is often used for vegetables or delicate foods. The goal is to cook them just enough so they're tender but still retain their texture and nutrients. It's a great technique for green beans, broccoli, or shrimp. Here are some tips for perfect boiling. Start with boiling water. Place your food in already boiling water to ensure even cooking. Timing is key. Use a timer to avoid overcooking. Check the texture. Test your food for doneness to ensure it's cooked just right. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, boil briefly. Remember, it's all about cooking quickly and efficiently. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.